Okay, let's go through all the questions, solutions of all the past card questions posted on 30th July. Okay, it's a bit late. I'm recording because the responses were very low and I wanted some people to attend. Okay, the question one is two cars A and B starts from point P and Q respectively. Okay, so we'll make this. This is car A, this is car B, and these are points as well. Okay, after traveling some distance at a point R, okay, car A develops some trouble. It continues to travel at two-thirds of usual speed to meet the car B at point S. Okay, so it meets car B at point S. Okay. So till here, A traveled with speed A. Okay, and from here to here, A traveled with speed 2 by 3A. Okay, so this distance is X, and PR is given as equal to QS. So we'll suppose this to be X, and the remaining let this be Y. Okay. If the engine trouble had occurred after it had traveled double distance, find the ratio of speeds. Okay, so ratio of speed it has asked. So when they meet at this point, it is given that they two-thirds speed to meet car B at point S. Okay, so it met the car B at point S. So time taken when they meet are same. So time taken for A will be equal to time taken for B. So time taken for A means distance covered by A. So distance covered is basically in two parts. X over here with the speed A, and in this case Y over here with the speed 2 by 3. Okay, so 3 will go to over here. Now time taken by B, y is B has covered only distance X. With speed we will take say B. Okay, so now we'll make X one side and Y one side. Okay, so this can be written as 3Y equal to 2AX 1 by B minus 1 by A. Okay, so A can get cancelled. Okay, so we'll write it as 2X A by B minus 1. So this is the equation we got in the first case. Now it is given that if the engine trouble had occurred after it had traveled double the distance. Okay, double the distance means this will again take one more scenario. Now it is P, it is Q. This is A, this is R, and we'll take another say K. Okay, K, double the distance. Okay, so this is X, this is X. If it has traveled more distance, then they would have met more near to Q because it has traveled more distance with more speed. No? So T will be somewhere over here. Okay? Double the distance, and it would and ST. So S also will need S is over here. Okay? So X. Since the distance R to S, you can see that R2 distance was Y. So this distance will basically be Y minus X. Okay. So till here, A will travel with speed A till here A. Now here it will develop an fault in the engine, and from here it will start traveling with speed 2A by 3. Okay, and they will meet over here. Okay? So this complete distance it will travel by A. They will meet here, so B will travel with B. Okay? So this particular distance is how much? It is given to us that ST is SQ by 9, and SQ is basically X. So this is basically X by 9, and this will be 9X by 10. No, sorry, 8X by 9. X minus X by 9, so this will be 8X by 9. Okay. Now again we'll do the same thing. They're meeting at T. Okay, so time taken by A will be time taken by B. Okay, this is a lengthier method, I guess. Proportionality, I don't know that whether it will be used, but this is a lengthy question as well. Because time taken by A. Okay, so till here it traveled with the speed of A. Distance is 2x, so this is 2x by A. And from here to here, y minus x. Distance is y minus x, and here to here it is x by 9. X by 9, okay, with the speed as 2a by 3. 2a by 3, okay, so 3 will go right over here. And time taken by B will be what? This will simply be 8x by 9 and B. So 8x by 9, 8x by 9, and this what the speed is B. Okay, so these are the two equations. A lengthy question this is. These are the two equations. You can use this. We will use this. We'll suppose A by B to be 1. Okay, and then we'll solve this. And sorry, we'll suppose A by B to be K. A by B to be K, and we'll substitute K everywhere over here, and this then we'll solve and we'll get 3 by 1 is the answer to this question. This is a bit lengthy question, or the method which I use is lengthy, but this is a bit tough question. Okay, so let's now remaining all questions were very easy. Only this first question was a bit tougher one. Okay, so question one is question two. Sn denotes the sum of squares of first and natural number. So Sn, a square of first and natural numbers, we know the direct formula n plus 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 by 3. This is quite easy. If you don't remember the formula in exam, so you can do one thing. Square of first and natural numbers. So 135 it will go on. Okay, so what all numbers are missing so that we know the formula for 1 square, 2 square, dot, dot, dot. Okay, we can use this, but the numbers missing are 2 square, 4 square. So we'll add those numbers and we'll subtract those numbers. Okay, so 2 square plus 4 square dot dot will go on. Okay, so this can simply be written as n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6 square, and this will take 2 common outside, 2 square common outside. This will be 1 square, 2 square, and n by 2. Okay, so in this we'll apply the same formula and we'll come to this conclusion. Okay, so but for now you should remember this formula because you don't have that much time in exam to like what to say this much you कि बैठ के वहाँ derive करो इतना time नहीं रहता ठीक है. So this is the formula, and now just directly equate this 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 divided by 3 equal to 5, 3, 3, n. Okay, so this n gets cancelled. Now you can plug in options as well. Okay, so 20, let's uh, plug in 20 or whatever you can just plug in. 20 you will plug in, so this will be 20 to 40, 41. So this will be, what to say, this will be 39, 13, and solving you get the unit digit which is equal to 20 is the answer to this question. Question number two, if the concentration, this is a good question. Your method, whatever method you use, that will be lengthy, but what I will be telling you is the shortest possible way for this question. Okay, if the concentration of petrol in the second tank is 75%. Okay, so petrol is 75%. So 3 is petrol. If we suppose total is 4, okay, so 3 is petrol and remaining is kerosene. You can, okay, and the cost price of petrol kerosene is half of that of petrol. What is the Govinslav's net profit on selling the contents of second tank, given that he claims to sell profit at 20%? Okay, so cost price, the money which he will take total from you as 4. Okay, claiming that everything is petrol only, but actually it is petrol plus kerosene. Petrol is of cost 1 only, but kerosene is half, so this will be half. So 0.5 into, is already selling at 25% profit, so this will be 1.25. Okay, so when you solve this will be 4 into 1.25, 4 into 1.25, it will be 1.25 means 5 by 4, and this will be 4, and this will be 3.5. Okay, this gets cancelled and this will go over here, so you can see 5 7 35 10. Okay, so 50 by 35 is simply, this will be 1.4285. You can easily know 10 by 7 is 1.42. So the profit percentage will be what? 42.85. Let's check the options. Gone, gone, gone. This is the only option. This is the answer as well. Okay, shortest possible method. See, such small method it can be easily done. Okay? Now this question, find the remainder when 2 to the power 1040 is divided by 100. Very easy. As soon as you see this 130 and 20 to the power 1040, you can easily be able to, should easily be able to solve this. 2 to the power 1040 divided by 131. Okay. So as soon as we can see that this 21040 and 130, this both are co-prime. So, and you should know that 131 is a prime number as well. So basically one Euler 131 is 130. So now 2 to the power 1040 divided by 130 will be, this will be 8324 8 times. So this will basically be completed equal. So 0 remainder. So 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 is the answer to this question. Hope it is clear now. Next question. If this are in GP, then each of the following holds true. Okay, so if three numbers are in GP, say K, L, M are in GP, so L square equal to K, M we know. So just simply apply this. B square plus C square whole square equal to product of these two. Okay, A square, B square, and A square, C square. Just multiply them. This will be B to the power 4, C to the power 4, 2, B square, C square. Now this A to the power 4, B square, C square, plus this to this, A square B square and A square C square. So A square will be common and this will be B square and C square. Now B square, this gets cancelled. So this, so let's check the options in what form. So B square minus A square form. We'll check this and we'll take out common and then we'll solve. So this will be the answer. Or what else other method which I could have used? Let's see if I can use any other method as well or what. Okay, leave that this can be done like this only. Okay, is there any other method? Might be okay. So you will just simplify this and that will come. Now the question is, a vessel has a milk solution in which milk and water in the ratio 4:2. So milk and water 4:1. Okay. So milk will take 4x and water is x. So mixture will be 5x. Okay. Now by addition of water is added. Say W water is added. Okay. The ratio changes. Okay. So we'll take with respect to milk. So 4x by 5x plus W. It changes to 4:3. So it means 4:7 because this is mixture. So this will be mixture. So this will be 28, 20, 28, this 20x plus 4W. So 8x equal to 4W. So W equal to 2x. So now W is 2x. So basically now milk is 4x and water is x was initially 2x added again 3x. So total will be 7x. Okay. Now it is given that on replacing 40 liter of this mixture with pure milk, the ratio is. Now, as told in my video, I've already made a video that whatever thing is added, we'll do weighted average on the opposite thing. So milk is added, so we'll do on water. Okay. So water is 3x, 14 liter is gone out. So water will go out as 3 by 7 minus 14 upon this, and total will be 7x only. And the ratio changes. So this will be 3 by 8. Okay. 14. So this will be 3x. I'm writing here. Sorry for the hodgepodge. Into 8 equal to 21x. Okay, so this will be 24x. So basically 3x equal to 6 into 8, 3 to 6. So x equal to 16. Now the question is volume of water added. Water added is basically 2x because water came equal to 2x. So 2 into 16 equal to 32 is the answer. That's it. Done. Next question. If A, B, C can independently do a work in 15, 20 days, 30 days, then together they work sometime. A total of this much is paid, and so C leaves. So 15, 20, 30. Okay, so total work if is supposed to be say 60. Okay, so this will be 4, this will be 3, this will be 2, so 6, 4, 6, 7 to 9. So this will be 9, 6, 54, 6.86. Okay, now C leaves before. Okay, then how much days did K work? Now when you see the option, you can notice that you don't need to do anything. Okay, see, if all are working for all the time, then it is taking 6.x days, and it is given that C leaves before. So ultimately, so for sure, the total number of days will be greater than 6, and A is working for whole time, so answer should be greater than 6. Only option is 8. Such an easy question, such an easy method you should follow. So D is the answer. You don't even need to solve this. The options are framed in such manner so that it helps you. Okay. Next question. A solid sphere of radius 12 is melted. Okay, melted, which means there will be volume involved. Okay, so volume of sphere is 4 by 3, 12 cube, 4 by 3 pi cube. Okay. Cast into a right circular cone whose diameter. So volume is radius is 12, means diameter is 24. Okay. So diameter is root 2. This is root 2. Root 2 times its slant height. Slant height is basically L. Okay. So L slant height will be diameter by root 2. So 24 by root 2. So this will be 12 root 2. Okay. So this is 12 root 2. So height will be easily be 12 because this is radius is 12. This is 12 root 2 and radius is 12. So height will be 12. Then only this will add up. Or you can use Pythagoras, but you can easily spot if this is 12 root 2 and this is 12, then it certainly has to be 12. Yeah, that is quite obvious. Okay. Then how many cones can be made? Okay. So volume is so volume of each cone first let's calculate. This will be 1 by 3 pi r square is radius came to be equal to height, so this will be r cube means 1 by 3 into 12 cube. This is 4 by 3 pi cube, so this is basically 4 times. If we do 4 times we'll get this. So 4 cones can be made with this specifications, or whatever you say, 4 cones, and volume left will be 0. So 4 0 is the answer to this question. Next question. The side of an equilateral triangle is 10 centimeter. By drawing parallel to its side, the distance between any two parallel lines is the same. The triangle is divided into smaller equilateral triangle. Each other. Okay, so one thing in question, you can notice that this is basically a type of question like there is a triangle and you have to take out smaller triangles from this. So this is basically the questions like this now. This is 2D diagram. When we do 3D, the sphere, and then we have to take out smaller sphere. So basically, That is a 3D diagram. So in that we divide volume by volume, volume by bigger to smaller. So here we'll divide area by area because this is a 2D diagram. So that's it. So basically it will be root 3 by 4, root 3 by 4, 10 square upon root 3 by 4. We need what? We need of length 1. So 1 square. This will basically be 100. So 100 can be taken out. So 100 is the answer. None. So now this is the easiest question. Instead of meter scale, a cloth merchant uses a 120 meter scale while buying. So 120 meter while buying is 120 by 100 and 80 while selling. Easy one. 100 by 80. This gets cancelled. This will be 428, 4312. So basically 1.5. So the answer is 0.5 or 50% is the answer. Profit percentage is making 50%. This is the answer. That's it. Hope this is clear now. Thank you so much.